You feel productive, but nothing is changing. You talk about your goals, you explain your plans, you tell people what you're going to become, and somehow the work never gets done. Here's the hard truth. Talking about your goals is replacing the discipline required to achieve them. Most people don't fail because they lack ambition. They fail because they leak energy. Every explanation, every announcement, every promise spoken out loud steals focus from execution. If you want real results, you must change how you treat your goals. Habit 1. Stop announcing, start logging. Talking gives your brain fake progress. It feels like you've already done the work, so urgency disappears. Solution? Replace talking with logging. Don't tell people what you're doing. Write it down instead. Track hours worked, track reps done, track days completed. Logs build pressure. Talk kills it. Habit 2. Share results, not intentions. Intentions are easy. Results are rare. When you talk too early, you seek approval, not progress. Solution? Create a rule. No sharing until there is proof. A finished project, a visible change, a completed milestone. Silence protects momentum. Results speak for you. Habit 3. Replace explaining with executing. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Not for your routine, not for your discipline, not for your absence. Explaining drains energy that should go into action. Solution? When asked, keep answers short. Then go back to work. Execution doesn't need validation. Habit 4. Build goals that don't need an audience. If a goal needs applause, it's already weak. Discipline grows when effort is private. Solution? Create goals that survive invisibility. Train alone, study quietly, build without posting. If no one noticed for 6 months, would you still do it? That's the goal worth chasing. Habit 5. Channel pressure inward, not outward. Talking releases pressure. Discipline requires pressure. When you speak too much, you let yourself off easy. Solution? Hold pressure inside. Let unfinished work bother you. Let missed days sting. Pressure turns into action when it stays internal. You don't need to say more. You need to do more. Silence is not hiding. Silence is focus. Work quietly. Improve privately. Arrive unexpectedly. No noise, only discipline.